Welcome back, everybody. I recorded this a few days ago, and I decided just to go ahead and put it up. But instead of using the original audio and putting you through the torture of watching this in normal speed, I'm going to go ahead and just do a voiceover and run the actual build of this frame and fast forward, so you can just kind of see what happens with it. And there's a billion probably recordings of people building these chameleon frames. So that's what it looks like in the package right there. It comes just like that. It's all the pieces to build the frame. I'm building this frame for somebody else. Originally, I was building a rooster for them. And you can see in the video there, that's the one that I'm duplicating. There was the rooster I was building too. If you're a more experienced builder, this video is probably not for you. I am starting to build more beginner friendly, well, that's, videos for people that are new to the hobby. So I'm hoping this will help them if they get this frame. Maybe they can see some hints on how to put it together. I did talk about what I was doing all the way through this. But like I said, I've decided to just play it in fast forward. I hope this video has been somewhat helpful to you. I'm going to be putting more videos together, kind of focused on beginners getting into the hobby. Things like soldering, basic things about flight controller boards, some more reviews on cameras, and just good things that I've found in the hobby and bad things that hopefully I can help you avoid. I'm going to let the rest of this video play. I hope this has been helpful to you, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.